My last refrain basically is a melodrama. I would say heavy drama. No, the story centers on a certain character, si Carlos Cuevas, a middle-aged singer whose life has been in disarray, a total wreck, a total mess. 20 years earlier, he wrote a song, he composed a song titled My Last Refrain as a gift to the woman he thought he could love forever. Played by Grace Balangkig. Amelia is the name of the character. Pero dihang nahibawan ni Carlos nga mabdo si Amelia, he left her, he abandoned her, he went abroad for some singing stint, leaving her the song.
Of course not. Amelia, part ka sa kong ambisyon. And that's the very reason why gusto kong mo-atesto.
Carlos, mabdot ko. Ikan ko sa doktor ganina. Positive ang result.
Will see you again when I return.
He went abroad for some singing stint, leaving her the song. So the poor lady had to survive, and then another guy came along, Renan, played by me. With his unconditional love, he married Amelia, and Amelia was already pregnant, and he accepted the baby as his own. Dihanid ako ang bata, 20 years after, 20 years later. She turned out to be a very beautiful girl, a young lady, played by Rochelle Bajo. Stephanie is the name of the character. Also a singer. Ang twist and turn sa storya nagsugod dihang nakita ni Stephanie ang composition by accident dito sa karaang bahay sa iyang lola. So the song now connects the present, connects the past and the present, and changes the lives of the main characters of the story.
My love is breaking my heart. Let's take this chance to kiss goodbye. My love, let's do my last refrain. That our endless cry will turn into smile.
I feel so blessed na nakahimo ko ni ining maong storya, My Last Refrain, to be able to be working with the best team. Para nako, I consider them as the best team and the best talents in Cebu nga maoy ni portray sa roles nga naa-involve ani nga story nga My Last Refrain.
I'm blessed to have very good actors, excellent performers. Take one na good pero may maglisod lang kung kat kay ug makadana sa emotion di naman undang.
Right.
Oh, mo rin nakalisod.
Dito tinod. Yeah. It's really an honor nga gitagaan ko aning role because when I read the script ang synopsis ko ganahan ko anina.
Nice.
How could I ever say no? But there was a little problem.
Yeah, because the initial plan was to have the shooting in the Bagete.
The location.
Because
Lisod man kay minamtay mga trabaho good.
because I stayed magod in Dumaguete for 2 years. I was assigned there sa ABS pa ko. And daghang kay ninod nga locations ba dito ba?
Okay.
Pero when he said, "Bye, kung sa Cebu lang na wala na ko'y daghang pang reklamo, go na ta." So I rearranged and rewrote the storyline para mobalik sa Cebu ang storya.
Okay.
So ako siyang ingnan, ko, "Here, I'm not giving up on you yet." Because when I developed the character of Carlos Cuevas, siya man ginasang huna-huna.
Wow.
Paano gilain?
Is there any chance na magbalik kami sa akong pamilya? Please intervene, God. Come into my life.
Dili tanan sayon para nako while making the script kay along the way naka-encounter gyud kog difficulty, no, not like katong sa Beyond Forgetting. I considered it as kanang while I was making the script smooth kaayo, and this time I was facing a problem kay natol mo to nga ang akong mom was hospitalized, and then mo to nga kanang physically, emotionally drained ko. But most of the time nga nikling kog maayo sa Ginoo, and then I asked for guidance, I asked for wisdom. Although sa tanan ako nga mga stories nga himuon ingon ana mo gid ang akong buhaton.
I'm not your real father. I am not your real father.
No! Hindi na tinuod. Stephanie!
Ganahan yung ko sa storya niya, nindot kaayo kun pagkahimo ang character ni Andrea. So kanang tanan ako ginang gi-credit ni Lord kay siya mo gyoy para nako siya gid ang naghimo ni adtong tanan siya nagpahimong nindot sa story sa My Last Refrain.
Niya mga
Akong gihangyo si Butch. Nagpakiluoy ko niya na tudluan kong asa karon.
Andrea, come on, look. Dako kay kong problema ron. Akong gihangyo nimo, please. Just leave me alone.
What's your problem, Carlos? Tell me. Maybe I can help.
Rowena Duarte, an ABS-CBN actress also. Finally, I was able to track her down sa Facebook, and she said, okay. So, na-retain na mo ang more or less 20% sa cast sa Beyond Forgetting, the drama before this. The rest, puro mga bago. Not bago literally, but bago sa CCTN.
Kanang drama series, this is my first time.
And how is it so far? Did you enjoy?
Actually, lingaw siya. Stress reliever siya after kanang hard day's work, and then mo adto kag mag-shooting mo. Mawagtang yun ang imong kakapoy. Steph, gusto ko mutabang nimo. But I don't know what to do.
This is so complicated, Jonas. My life is so complicated.
Steph, ingon ana yun ang life. Today, happy ka. Tomorrow, you're sad. Pareha sa panahon. Pero, dapat yung ka ready to adapt to the changes. Gusto na. Ay, naghila. Manuroy noon ta.
Aning salida, pwede ka maka-portray as
anak ni. Karon lipay kay ko kay duha ka buka kong himong papa. So, si Sir Dante, Sir Hill, anya.
Ang imong inahan dahil sa imong tapad.
Ako inahan, usa ra gyud. So, meaning siya lagi pinakamaanyag. Bitaw, so.
Ang imo ding boyfriend.
Listen to me first.
Kung sabi ako paminaw nimo, ang imong bakak. Dugay na kung gipatuon nimo sa imong bakak.
Stephanie, ayaw pagsulti mo ni anak sa imong mama. Steph, wag lang yun tingay kakahibaw kung sa'y tinuod. Nga nung nahitabo ni. If you give me that chance, pasabto na ka.
Di na ko ganahan maminaw nimo. No!
If you think na nakasako ni mo, anak, I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry.
Kinoo ko. Kagubot na pahinoonin ni atong kahimtang.
Kanang, how did you look for the locations? I mean, natingala lang jud ko nga ang location sa balay ni Alvin Garcia.
Thank you,
Thank you kaayo, Mayor Alvin Garcia. Thank you kay nindot kay mong balay. I really love it there. How did you
Una,
look for the
nangita kong balay
location?
nga karaan, nga na ay grand piano.
Uh-huh.
Okay, ang grand piano is a very important.
Vital part man gyud siya, no?
Oo.
Because of the story.
Yes. So I kept on asking, and then somebody from the news department, I guess, ingon, sir, ganun, hindi mo i-try ila Alvin Garcia. Karaan man kayo, apay piano sa taas.
Wow.
Huwag ko kibaw kasa. Although I passed by that house several times before.
I didn't know also that's Alvin's house.
So then to me ni
I think all of us.
Oh,
Yeah.
dito mi ni Julio Ceballos, and I talked to former Mayor Garcia, and pwede kang reklamo. Anytime. Dito sa taas.
In fact, nabisita siya na to.
Dito siya ganun.
He was there during the shooting,
during the
di ba?
shoot?
Oo, he was there
Great.
during the shoot. Nangumusta na mo. Ya pagkahumano kay singot man kay mi kay kana maikog lagi si Dante nga magpa-aircon. Hala re gisirado gyud tanan kay gi-airconan jud mi.
I never expected nga moabot og inani kadako ang project because my priority there, my first priority is just to finish the project and to air it. Pero niabot sa punto nga daghang nitabang no, mga artista. Si Bong Jimeno took care of the merchandising aspect, the posters, the tarpaulin. We had pictorials. Hale volunteered to edit the posters. We had press conference. So I would say at first kung imo hunahuna, it's an ambitious project, but we were able to pull through with it, and successfully were able to air it and nindot ang feedback. So I would like to thank the viewers also for watching this from start to finish.
Again, I will say nga, bless kayo ko nga mo'y nakahimo nining script sa My Last Refrain. Unya, ako ginag-ihatag ang tanang credit, ang tanang glory ngadto sa Ginoo.
Debbie Santa Cruz wrote a very good script. We worked hand in hand. Our chemistry is perfect since Beyond Forgetting. And ang ato manggudinhi is we have to make the viewers realize that we can produce quality local soap operas. Bisan pa man siguro sa limited equipment, despite the limited budget, we can still come up with good production. Muna akong hagit sa uban nato mga directors sa CCTN. Pilita kinini ang mantener lang kung say na nato. We have to go and achieve quality. Asa mi magsugod sa story, sa location, sa production design, sa artista. Di kay manguha na tag anytime they can hurry to play the role. See? So, of course, dili man ni perfect. You can learn from what you did. It's another learning experience. But then again, we have to show to the viewers nga kaya man di ay. No? Dili man locally. Okay na ta diha. We are global. We are seen internationally. www.edv.com.ph. So we have to show to the whole world that this is our product. We have to sell the product for people to appreciate and for the sponsors to pour in their investments in terms of spots and commercials. Again, Thank you very much, and thank you to CCTN for the all-out support. Thank you to the stars, thank you to the crew, thank you sa tanan ng suporta.
Take this chance to kiss goodbye, my love. Let's do my last refrain.